Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to level up a list in EAM. In our case, the work order list. We've added row highlights for work orders in progress. And when you click a work order number, boom, a pop-up with all the details shows up. All done step by step. No broken features, just smart enhancements. Let's go? Now let's see it in action. First, I'll log in as one user and start an activity on a work order. Then I'll switch to another user and do the same. While I'm logging out and switching users, just a quick note. This isn't limited to the work order list. You can apply the same logic to any grid, any screen, activities, requisitions, assets, whatever you need. It's flexible, lightweight, and doesn't break standard EAM features. Now you can see the first row is highlighted. That's the activity started by the first user. Now I'll start the same activity with another user. And there it is, a second row gets marked instantly. Real-time, clear, and straight inside the standard EAM interface. Now the second user's activity is also marked. And when we click on it, we get a handy pop-up with key info. When it was supposed to start, when it actually started. In short, someone's actively working on it. Simple, visual, and super useful. And of course, you can do the same for the first work order too. Click it, see the details, know what's going on. If you think this could be useful in your setup, just reach out. We'd love to show you how it works in your environment.